Two giants in email marketing, GetResponse and AWeber. Which one really delivers? On the left, GetResponse, the all-in-one growth platform. And on the right, AWeber, simple, reliable email marketing. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll know which platform takes the crown. The result might surprise you.
First things first, let's get a bird's eye view. Here's how we're going to compare these platforms: price and value, automation, features and functionality, email design, reporting and analytics, integrations, multi-language and globalization, customer support, and ease of use. It's a lot, but honestly, every bit matters when you're sending like thousands of emails, right? Okay, let's kick things off with price and value. So, GetResponse gives these pretty sweet discounts if you pay upfront, like 18% off for annual, or go all in for 2 years and boom, 30% off. There's no send limit holding you back on paid plans, and they only count you for unique contacts, which honestly can be a game changer if you're rocking multiple lists. One catch though, some of the super powerful stuff is hiding behind those higher tier plans. Now, switching over to AWeber, it's really simple, very predictable pricing. You pay per subscriber. It's affordable if your list is small, but heads up, they count duplicates, which can sneak up on you if you've got folks on several lists. There's also a send limit based on your list size. And, well, prices have been on the rise lately. So, who takes this round? Yep, GetResponse wins it pretty convincingly. Next category, automation. GetResponse, oh boy, their visual automation builder is impressive. It's basically like making a flowchart for your marketing, and you can trigger stuff based on what people actually do. Plus, you get multi-channel tricks, so email, SMS, push notifications, super cool, right? Only catch, you'll need to spend a bit of time figuring it all out. Switch gears to AWeber, and it's way more basic. Classic autoresponders, tagging, list management, easy stuff, but no fancy behavior triggers. And forget about using SMS or push in your automations. So if automation is your jam, GetResponse is the clear winner. Features and functionality. Let's go! GetResponse brings the kitchen sink. Seriously, you get sales funnels, e-commerce bits, AI features, spam checking, webinars, a website builder, landing pages, all built in, and unlimited sending too. Oh, and they support 27 languages. But just a heads up, all those fancy extras like webinars are up on the pricier plans. With AWeber, you do get cool things like AMP for email, interactive templates, Canva for design, but honestly, you're missing out on big stuff. No webinars, no website builder, and the form builder is kind of stuck in 2015. Another clear win for GetResponse. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that GetResponse was literally one of the first platforms to drop webinar hosting right inside their email suite? Not even kidding. That's a massive head start if you want to run live events for your subscribers. Let's talk email design. GetResponse is solid with their modern templates and a flexible drag-and-drop editor. But AWeber actually has a bigger template collection and even lets you do AMP emails, which is kind of neat. Some of their designs are feeling vintage, though, so it's a little less dazzling. All in all, both have strengths. I'm calling this one a tie. On to reporting and analytics. GetResponse gets major points with their dashboard. Funnel stats, revenue reports, you can track conversions and engagement, and even send at the perfect time thanks to their AI. It's pretty next level. AWeber is way more basic. Open and click rates, subscribers, that sort of thing. No shiny revenue or automation tracking. The winner's obvious here, GetResponse. Integrations. This is where things shift a bit. GetResponse has all of your major platforms covered. API and Zapier are on deck, but honestly, AWeber kind of steals the show with more than 750 direct integrations. Think Shopify, WordPress, and tons more. Plus, push notifications on every plan? That's actually wild. So AWeber finally snags a win. Now, multi-language and globalization. GetResponse is basically the United Nations here. 27 interface languages and support in 8. If you're building a global list, you want this. AWeber, well, it's English only. That's it. No contest. GetResponse takes the gold. Customer support. Both companies show up strong here. GetResponse is rocking 24/7 live chat, phone for higher plans, and multi-language help.
AWeber goes with phone support on every paid plan and helps users switch over. Only thing is, it's all in English. For most folks, you can't complain either way. So it's a tie. Last up, ease of use. GetResponse is kind of like a spaceship cockpit. Feature-rich, super organized, and honestly perfect for serious growth. But if you're a total beginner, it's not the simplest thing in the world. Then there's AWeber. Minimal, intuitive, literally made for small businesses or anyone who wants to keep it super simple. So for usability alone, AWeber takes it here. Zooming out, GetResponse sweeps most major categories: price, automation, features, analytics, global support. But AWeber scores high for integrations and is just objectively easier for newbies. So, you know what? If you want all the advanced, nerdy marketing stuff like automation and running global campaigns, you're going to love GetResponse. But if what matters is keeping things dead simple, connecting to a bunch of apps, and just sending emails without a headache, AWeber is the move. If you found this useful, let us know down below. And of course, stay tuned for more no-nonsense, head-to-head